Hi everyone. Today I would like to discuss the solutions for the Cambridge International AS and A level Feb March 2022 pure maths paper. The subject code is 9709. The component is 1 2. So let's go in detail of the step-by-step solutions for each question. Question number 1. A curve with equation y equal to f of x is such that f dash of x equal to 2x power minus 1 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3. It is given that f of x equal to 5. Find f of x. So when you work on every question, you have to understand to which particular concept this question relates to. Here the differentiation is given to us and you're given one condition. It has to find the f of x, which is nothing but finding the equation of the curve. So this is purely integrations. You need not write this on your paper, but you have to understand that this question is particularly from integrations. Now let's see how we can solve this. So we are given f dash of x equal to 2x power minus 1 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3. Integrating, we get f of x. The integral of f prime of x is f of x. So here integral 2x power minus 1 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 dx. So this is equal to, so 2 times, you can use the power rule. The power rule is x power n integration is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, where n not equal to negative 1 and plus c. So 2, so x power minus 1 by 3, when you integrate, you get minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by minus 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. So this will give you 2x power minus 1 by 3 plus 1 will give you 2 by 3 divided by 2 by 3 minus x power 4 by x power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 plus c. When you simplify this further, you get this becomes 2 times x power, 3 times x power 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 x power 4 by 3 plus c. Now we have the initial condition f of 8 equal to 5. So plug in x equal to 8 in this. So 3x power 2 by 3. So in place of 8, in place of x, you can plug in the x value 8. So 3 into 8 to the power 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 into 8 to the power 4 by 3 plus c equal to 5. You can use calculator here or you can use a mental math. So cube root of 8 is 2. So, and 2 square will give you 4. And here it is 3 by 4. Again, cube root of 8 is 2. 2 power 4 is 16 plus c equal to 5. This will give you 12 minus 4 divides 16 4 times. So this will give you 12 plus c equal to 5. So 12 and 12 cancels off. You get a c equal to 5. Therefore, the final equation f of x is equal to 3x power 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 x power 4 by 3 plus 5. So that is the solution for the first question. Hope this is clear. And before I move on to the second question, I would like to uh, ask you all that please give a like and subscribe this channel to view more videos on solving these past papers. Thank you. So now let's move on to the second question. Question number 2. So the curve has an equation y equal to x square plus 2cx plus 4 and y equal to 4x plus c. Find the set of values of c for which the curve and the line intersect at two distinct points. So this concept uh, corresponds to which topic? This is the intersection of a line and a curve, but with the application of the discriminant. So the discriminant is involved here because it's asking for two distinct points. So it is nothing but the intersection of a line and a curve. So what is the case of the discriminant here? So when the line intersects the curve at two distinct points, the discriminant is positive greater than 0. When the line is a tangent, the d equal to 0. And when the line doesn't intersect the curve, it is d less than 0. These are the three conditions of the discriminant that we use uh, for the concept of the intersection of a straight line and a curve. But here, especially, it is d greater than 0. So what we do here, the first step is that we equate the line and the curve. So x square plus 2cx is the curve plus 4 equal to 4x plus c. So bringing the 4x and c to the other side, this becomes x squared plus 2cx minus 4x plus 4 minus c equal to 0. Let's put it in one quadratic form. So x times 2c minus 4, and this is 4 minus c equal to 0. So when you compare this with ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this becomes a is 1, b is 2c minus 4, and your c is 4 minus c. So the discriminant condition d greater than 0, which is b squared minus 4ac greater than 0. So b is 2c minus 4, 2c minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 4 minus c greater than 0. Expanding this using a plus b whole square. So you get 4c squared plus 16 minus 2 into 2 into 4, which is 16. So minus 16c. Multiply this 4 into 4. Negative 4 into 4 is negative 16 plus 4c greater than 0. You can cancel the positive 16 and the negative 16. And minus 16c plus 4c will give you minus 12c greater than 0. If you solve this equation, you get 4c into c minus 3. When you solve this, you get c equal to 0 comma 3. These are the critical points, but that's not a solution. The solution is, since the inequality is greater than 0, it is always away from the two roots. Away from the two roots. So you write c less than 0 or c greater than. So this is how you work out the solution for question number 2. Now let's work out the question number 3. So here, question number 3, there's a part A. So please be little careful here to check on which method you can apply. So this is part A. Let's see what is part B. So part B here is, is using the part A, the expansion of the part A in the part B. So there are two ways you can do this question here. So here the question is about the finding the independent term, and which concept this question relates to? Binomial theorem. All right, this concept relates to binomial theorem. So there are two ways you can do this, work out this question. One is by general expansion or by using the general term. But since we need the expansion of 3x plus 2 by x square whole power 6 in part B, let's use the expansion method. So the simple way of expanding this is 3x plus 2 by x square whole power 6. So 6c naught. You can use this very simple technique how to actually write the expansion without looking at the formula sheet. If you still want to refer the formula sheet, it's always that's also fine. So 6c1, 6c2, then you have 6c3, 6c4, 6c5, 6c6. So this is how you write the terms, the binomial coefficients, starting with 3x. The power in the first term you have 3x whole power 6. From there it decreases by power 1. So 3x whole power 4, and this is 3x whole cube. This is 3x whole square into 3x, and finally it stops there. And coming to the 2 by x square, it starts from the second term, so power 1, and here you have 2 by x square whole square. Then here you have 2 by x square whole cube. Here you have 2 by x square whole power 4, 2 by x square whole power 5, finally 2 by x square whole power 6. Just need to put a plus in between. You're done with the expansion. Simple. Now you have to uh, look for the term independent of x. So this one, if you see, forget about the constants. Here this will give you x power 6. This will give you x power 5 by x square, x power 5 by x square. So you get the term x cube term here. And here you get x power 4 by x power 4. So here you get x power 4 by x power 4, the cancels off. So this is the term independent of x. So this is what the term independent of x is. You don't find x in that. And furthermore, when you proceed, this is x cube divided by x power 6. So this will give you the x cube, 1 by x cube term. And here it is x square by x power 8. So you get 1 by x power 6. And here this is x here times 1 by x power 10. So you get 1 by x power 9. And here it is x power 12. So anyway, the term that you're looking for is this. So term independent of x, the term independent of x is 6, 6c2, 3x whole power 4 into 2 by x square whole square. 6c2 is, you can use a calculator. Manually, if you want, you can simply use 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. That gives you 15. So 15 times 3 power 4 is 81, x power 4. This will give you 4 by x power 4. X power 4, x power 4 cancels. 15 fours are 60. 60 times 81. When you multiply with 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 eights are 48. So that is the 4860. 4860 is the term independent of x. Coming to the second part, which is part B, here we're looking for the expansion of 3x plus 2 by x square whole power 6 times x 1 minus x cube. Again, we have to find the independent term here. Find the independent term of x. So here, if you look at it, this is the constant 1 and this is the term of x cube, which means you need a constant term or the independent term of x, the constant term or the independent term of x, and 1 by x cube term. We don't need the rest of the terms. When you multiply this with 1 minus x cube, you get the term independent of x. So you might be wondering how it is. So constant into 1 will give you a constant, which is independent of x. 1 by x cube times x cube will give you the x cube and x cube cancels, so you get a constant again. So this is how we can easily work out. We already got the independent term of x, which is 4860. Now we need the 1 by x cube term. Let's have a look at the previous part. Where is 1 by x cube? Here it is. 6c3 3x whole power 3, 6c3 3x whole power 3 into 2 by x square whole cube. 2 by x square whole cube. Again, use a calculator or the mental math. 6c3 is 6 into 5 into 4. 6 into 5 into 4. 1 into 2 into 3. 6 cancel 20. So 20. 3 cube is 27. X cube times 2 cube is 8 by x power 6. So 2 times 8 is, it is 160 into 27. You can use calculator. 1 by x cube. So 16 sevens are 112. So 11, 16 twos are 32. 32 plus 11 is 43. 0 x cube. That's it, we are done. So when you're multiplying with 4860 plus 4320 by x cube times 1 minus x cube. That will give you the 4860 times 1 is 4860. The positive quantity into negative will give you negative, so it's minus 4320. So when you subtract this, you get 0. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 8 minus 3 is 5. So 540 is the answer. So this is how you work out for this question. Now let's move on to question number 4. The question number 4, let's see. So this is very obvious that this is the concept of the sequences, the arithmetic and the geometric sequences, this concept. The first term of a GP and the first term of AP are same, so better you can write this way to understand better. The first term T1 is both A in both the cases. The third term of the GP is equal to the second term of AP is equal to the third term of GP. And here the second term is nothing but A plus D. And here the third term is AR square. And similarly have the fifth term of the GP. So fifth term is AR power 4. So here you can use the nth term for the GP is AR power n minus 1. And for AP it is A plus n minus 1 times D. Now So this here is equal to the sixth term. So the sixth term is a plus 5d. Okay. So we have the equations a r square equal to a plus d. This is equation 1. And a r power 4 equal to a plus 5d. This is equation 2. Now to solve these equations, let's see. So from the first equation, what we can do is r square equal to a plus d by a. Now use this r square in this equation. So you have r power 4 can be written as r square whole square equal to a plus 5d. A into a plus d by a whole square equal to a plus 5d. So simplify this, a into a plus d whole square by a square equal to a plus 5d. You can cancel 1a here. You can cross multiply 1a to the other side and expand it. You have a square plus d square plus 2ad. You're multiplying a here, a into a square plus 5ad. Cancel the a square and the a square and get the 2ad to the other side. D square is 5ad minus 2ad. So d square is 3ad. So this can be done in a different way. When you take d common, d into d minus 3a equal to 0, which means d equal to 0 or d equal to 3a. When d is 0, it doesn't give an arithmetic sequence, so this is ruled out. So d equal to 3a. So we got d in terms of a, which is 3a. But the question is, find the sum of the first 20 terms of the AP in terms of a. We want the sum of the first 20 terms. The sum of the first 20 terms will be S20. You can use a formula Sn n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So 20 by 2 into 2a plus 19, 20 minus 1, 19, and d is 3a. So this will give you 20 by 2 is 10, 2a, 19 3s are 57, 57a, 10 times 59a, and that will give you 590a. So this is your final answer. Now, question number 5. Express 2x square minus 8x plus 14 in the form of 2 into x minus a whole square plus b. Generally, most of the times what has been asked is expressed in the form of a into x plus b whole square plus c. But if you look at this format, there's already a number given in front and you have the square brackets. So we have to be a little cautious on this. No need to worry. When you look at observe the quadratic equation, which is 2x squared minus 8x plus 14, you see that 2 is common in all the terms. So pull it out. 2 into x squared minus 4x plus 7. Now complete the square for this. So 2 into, so you can consider 2b is minus 4. So b is minus 2. So b squared is 4. So what you do is x squared minus 4x, give some space, add the b squared term plus 4, subtract the b squared term. So you get 2 times x squared minus 4x plus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. That will give you finally 2 into x minus 2 whole square plus 3. That's what the exact form has been asked. The functions f and g are defined by, now f of x is x squared and g of x is 2x squared minus 8x plus 14, which means we're going to use a part a in this. So we should be ready using that. So g of x we already got uh, 2 into x minus 2 whole square plus 3. Just please remember this square bracket. You can expand this. This will give you 2 times of x minus 2 whole square plus 6. Now, what is this concept? It's very simple. It is the transformations. Transformations concept is a topic. It comes under functions, right? This question. The earlier part is the quadratic equations. That's simple. Yeah. So here transformation. So what is asking to describe fully a sequence of transformations that maps the graph of y equal to f of x onto the graph of g of x. So from f of x, which is x squared, so mapping f of x onto the graph of g of x. So if we compare this, if you look at the g of x, it is 2 times x minus 2 whole square plus 6. This corresponds to, because if you want to write it exactly, it is something in the format of a into f of x minus h plus k. And this h, this corresponds to the horizontal translation, and this corresponds to the vertical translation, and here the vertical transformation with a stretch factor. So we can write uh, this one as the transformation. You can write it's a transformation. It's a transformation with a stretch factor to parallel to parallel to y-axis. And you also find the horizontal translation and the vertical translation. So you can simply write it's a translation, a combined translation of the both horizontal and vertical to be 2 and 6. 2, 6. So this is how you work out for this question. Now let's move on to question number 6. X plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 85. That's a circle equation given, and there's a line here. So here, if you look at this, this is a circle equations. And circle equations, you know very well, it comes under the concept of coordinate geometry. Because in the new syllabus, which has been updated in from 2020, this circle equations have been added in coordinate geometry. And there are 3 circle equations. And many of you know that so this is one standard equation that we have. So what is this saying? So you have a circle, you have a line. The line intersects the circle at A and B. So the intersection is happening at A and B. Find the and the center of the circle is at C. Find by calculation the coordinates of A and B. So you have to find the coordinates of A and B. So let's see how we can do that. So this is a simple simultaneous solving with which involves a line and a curve. So we got the line y equal to 3x minus 20. And we got the circle equation x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 85. We'll substitute the y value here in this. So we get x plus 1 whole square plus y is 3x minus 20 minus 2 whole square equal to 85. So x plus 1 whole square, 3x minus 22 whole square equal to 85. So expand this, get x square plus 2x plus 1 plus have 9x square. 22 square is 484. You can please use calculator. And 2 3s are 6. 6 into 22 is 132. 132x equal to 85. So simplify this. X square plus 9x square is 10x square. And 1 plus 484 is 485. You can get this 85 to the other side, minus 85. Then plus 2 and minus 132 will give you minus 130x equal to 0. This can be further simplified to 10x squared minus 130x. 485 minus 85 is 400. You can see 10 is a common in all the terms. You can pull 10 as a common factor. So this will be happen like x squared minus 13x plus 40 equal to 0. And this is a very simple quadratic equation which can be factorized by the splitting the middle term by factorization. 8 5s are 40. Since the sum is negative, you have minus 8 and minus 5. So the equation when you solve, you get x minus 8 times x minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, you get x equal to 8 or x equal to 5. Equal to 5. When x is 8, your y is 3x minus 20. So 3 into 8. 3 into 8 minus 20. So 24 minus 20, which is 4. When x is 5, you have y equal to 3 into 5 minus 20. 15 minus 20. So minus 5. So the coordinates are 8 comma 4. The other one is 5 comma minus 5. But please look at the diagram. We have to check which point is A. So A is to the right of B. Therefore, your A is this and your B is this. So that's how you work out the solution part, that question. Coming to question number part B. So part B is find an equation of the circle which has a center at C, for which the line with the equation y equal to 3x minus 20 is a tangent. So let's draw a simple diagram. What we're looking for is we need a circle, and the line is a tangent, and that line is y equal to 3x minus 20. The center is C. So we need the center from the first equation of the circle. So what is the center here? The center is minus 1 comma 2, the center of this. So we have minus 1 comma 2 the center from the equation of the circle. Now all that we need to do here is to find the equation of the circle. We have the center, but we don't know what the radius is. So that's it. That's what we need to find out. How we can do that? Since we know the tangent, we know the radius and the tangent are perpendicular. And here the radial line is nothing but perpendicular to the tangent. So let's find the equation of the radial line. How we can do that? The radius, the perpendicular line, which perpendicular line will have a gradient, negative reciprocal of this line. So let's find the gradient of y equal to 3x minus 20. So it's very simple. Y equal to 3x minus 20. Compare this to y equal to mx plus c. Your m is, the gradient is 3. Therefore, the perpendicular gradient will be negative 1 by 3. Therefore, we can find the equation y equal to mx plus c. So y equal to minus 1 by 3x plus c. You can use a point -1 comma 2 in this. Y is 2, x is -1 plus c. So this will give you 2 equal to 1 by 3 plus c. So c equal to 2 minus 1 by 3, which is 5 by 3. 6 minus 1, 5 by 3. So this equation of the radial line is y equal to -1 by 3x plus 5 by 3. Now this radial line and the tangent, they are intersecting at the point on the circle. You have to find the point of tangency. So -1 by 3x plus 5 by 3 equal to 3x minus 20. So get the -1 by 3x to the other side and 20 to this side. You get 3x plus 1 by 3x equal to 20 plus 5 by 3. So this will give you 3 plus 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1, 10 by 3x equal to 63 into 20 is 60. 60 plus 5, 65. Cancel the 3 and the 3. So 10x equal to 65 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 65 by 10. So 5 divides 10 two times. You can put in the calculator. It will simplify and give. And 5 divides 65 13 times. So this is 13 by 2. That's the x coordinate. Now y coordinate is simple. We know the tangent line or the radial line. You can plug in anywhere. So y equal to 3x minus 20. So you have 3 into 13 by 2 minus 20. So this will give you 3 into 13 by 2 is 39 by 2. 39 by 2 minus 20. Therefore, 39 minus 40, which is minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the point is 13 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2. So now we have the center C, which is minus 1, comma 2. We can find the distance. So the distance D is 13 by 2, x2 minus x1. That will give you 13 by 2 plus 1 whole square plus minus 1 by 2 minus 2 whole square, the root of it. So here it is 13, this will give you 15 by 2 whole square plus 5 by 2 the whole square negative. Root of that will give you 15 square is 225 by 4, 25 by 4. So the root of 250 by 4. So that will give you 5 root 10 by root 4 is 2. 25 root is 5. And then you have root 10. That's it. So you got the radius r is 5 root 10 by 2. Therefore, the equation of the circle is equation of circle is x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square equal to r square. Here r is this. So the square of that will give you 250 by 4, and 250 by 4 is also can be simplified to 125 by 2 or 62.5. So you can use x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to that. X plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal equal to 62.5. That's how you work out for this question. Now coming to this question is very obvious that this question relates to the concept of trigonometry. So for convenience, I'm using the sine theta as S and cos theta as C in this question. So please do not do this way in your exam, or to make it better, simple, I'm working out this way. So show that sine theta plus 2 cos theta by cos theta minus 2 sine theta minus sine theta minus 2 cos theta by cos theta plus 2 sine theta equal to 4 by 5 cos square theta minus 4. So this can be written as S plus 2c divided by c minus 2s minus s minus 2c divided by c plus 2s. So let's take this. Let's take the left hand part. So when you simplify this, so c plus 2s into c minus 2s will be c squared minus 4s squared. You can multiply this. You have s plus 2c into c plus 2s minus s minus 2c into c minus 2s. So you have s into c is cs. Sine theta and cos theta is sine theta cos theta. Then sine into 2 is sine is 2 sine square. 2 cos into cos is 2 cos square. 2 cos into 2 sine is 4 sine theta cos theta. And here minus sine into cos is sine theta cos theta. Sine into minus 2 sine is minus 2 sine, but there's a minus here, so plus 2 sine squared. Then minus 2 cos into cos is minus 2 cos square. There's a minus again, so plus 2 cos square. And then minus 2 cos into minus 2 sine will be plus 4 cos theta sine theta, but there's a minus there, so minus 4 sine theta cos theta. You can cancel this. So here you get, again, this one also can be cancelled. Now 2 sine square plus 2 sine square, you have 4 sine square. The denominator you have cos square minus 4 sine square. The numerator you have 4 sine square plus 4 cos square divided by cos square minus 4 sine square. So that will give you sine square, you can pull out 4 common, sine square plus cos square. And here in the denominator is completely asking in terms of cos. So convert the sine to cos. So cos square minus 4 into 1 minus cos square. That will give you sine square plus cos square is 1. So 4 into 1 divided by cos square minus 4 plus 4 cos square. 4 into 1 is 4 divided by cos square plus 4 cos square is 5 cos square minus 4. And that is what is being asked to. So 4 divided by 5 cos square theta minus 4. That's how you work out for this question. Now, hence all the equation equal to 5 for 0 less than theta less than 180. So we already have 4 divided by 5 cos square theta minus 4 equal to 5. Let's one check. 4 by 5 cos square minus 4. Yes. So you can cross multiply. So 5 into 5 cos square theta minus 4 equal to 4. So 25 cos square theta minus 20 equal to 4. So you have 25 cos square theta equal to 24. Cos square theta equal to 24 by 25. And cos theta, please do not forget to put plus or minus root of 24 by 25. So let's draw the diagram for the sine angle, the sines angle for, the sines for the sine cos tan. So here in the first quadrant, all are positive. Here the sine is positive, cos is positive, and tan is positive here. My bad, sorry. So all silver teacups, so all sine, this is tan and this is cos. So here, I'm sorry for that. Here the theta in the first quadrant, here it is 180 minus theta, and here it is 180 plus theta, and this is 360 minus. Okay, so let's find the principal value. So the principal value is cos inverse of root of 24 by 25, and see how much you get. Let's use a calculator. Please do not forget or to check whether if your calculator is in the degree mode. So make your calculator in the degree mode. So cos inverse of uh, root of 24 by 25. So that will give you cos inverse of root 11.53 is 11.536 degrees. So this is a principal value. Therefore, the theta value is, so when so what you can do is you can write cos theta equal to the positive root 24 by 25, and cos theta is the negative root 24 by 25. So here you get the principal value is 11.5 degrees. Angles always to one decimal place, theta. And here in this case, cos is negative. Cos is negative in the second quadrant and the third quadrant, but third quadrant will be more than 180. So here the angle is 180 minus 11.55 degrees. That will give you, so use the actual value, 180 minus of that, 180 minus 168.46, 168.46, again angle to one decimal place, 168.5 degrees. Therefore the angles are 11.5 degrees and 168.5 degrees. So this is how you so now coming to question number 8. So this is again a circle question here. So here it says the diagram shows a circle with the equation. Circle equation is given here again. The chord AB intersects the positive y-axis at A and is parallel to the x-axis. So this chord is parallel to the x-axis. Find by calculation the coordinates of A and B. Okay, since what we can do is the circle is touching the y-axis. On the y-axis, you know that x is 0. So to find A, plug in x equal to 0 in the circle equation. So you get 0 minus 2 whole square plus y square equal to 8. 2 square is 4. So 8. So y square is 4 and y is plus or minus 2. But a is on the positive side above the origin. So y is 2. Therefore, the coordinates of a is 0, 2. Also, if you see that AB is parallel to the x-axis, therefore the line AB will be simply y equal to. Now how do you find the coordinates for B. We need the x coordinate basically. So we already have the circle equation x minus 2 whole square plus y square equal to 8. Now I know what my y is. The y is 2. That's a chord line. That's a chord equation. So x minus 2 whole square. Let's plug in y equal to 2 here. We get 2 square equal to 8. And x minus 2 whole square equal to 8 minus 4 is 4. So x minus 2 is plus or minus 2. So you get x equal to 4 comma 0. So 4 comma 0 is nothing but we already got the point A is 0 comma 2. So the B will be coordinates 4 comma. So this is how you find the coordinates of A and now this is a simple simultaneous solving uh, with the curve and the line. So let's see what is a part B. So part B is find the volume of the revolution when the shaded segment bounded by the circle and the chord AB is rotated to through 360 degrees above the x-axis. Now here you see that the region, one thing is bounded by the line, the other one is by the circle. And we want to find the volume in between. Simple thing is that the volume of the circle equation minus the volume of the line. So the volume is volume of the circle minus volume of the solid found by the circle and the volume of the line. So we know the 0 a coordinate is 0 and b is 4. So between 0 to 4, integral between 0 to 4. So what is the circle equation? X minus 2 whole square plus y square equal to 8. So from this y square equal to 8 minus x minus 2 whole square. So we can further simplify this. So 8 minus this will give you x square plus 4x minus 4x plus 4. So when you subtract this, you get 8 minus 4 is 4 minus x square plus 4x. And the line is nothing but the further this is the circle, and for the line we have y equal to 2. So 0 to 4 pi y square dx. This is for the circle and this is for the line here. 0 to 4 pi y is 2 here, so 2 square dx. So pi integral 4 plus 4x minus x square dx minus this is 4 pi integral dx between the limits 0 to 4. So get integral pi. So integral of 4 is 4x. 4x will be 4x square by 2 minus x square is x cube by 3 between 0 to 4 minus 4 pi integral 1 is x between the limit 0 to 4. So this will give you pi into, so put 4 here, get 16 and 16. So 4 by 2 is 2. 2 into 4 square, 2 into 16, 32 minus 64 by 3. When you plug in 0, you get 0. Minus here you get 16 pi. So this will give you 16 pi plus 32 pi minus 64 pi by 3 minus 16 pi. You can cross out this. So 32 pi minus 3, minus 64 pi by 3, the LCM will be, so 3 into 32, 96 pi minus 64 pi by 3. So finally you get 32 pi by 3. Here you can find the volume of the solid formed by the circle and take out the volume formed by the line separately, and take out the volume of the solid formed by the line, take out that from this volume of the solid formed by the circle, or you can find a one combined equation in the beginning and then integrate it at the end. You can even do that way. So this is how, and here this is 32 pi by 3, so it's a volume, so 32 pi by 3 cubic units. So this is how you need to work on this question. So coming to question number 9, we have f of x equal to, so this is given as this is something to do with functions, it seems like that, but let's see. F of x equal to, yes, this is functions, the format is there. F of x is x minus 4x power half plus 1. G is mx square plus n, and h of x is x power half minus 2. What is the first part? Solve the equation f of x equal to 0. Okay, this is a very simple uh, question. So f of x equal to 0, which means f of x equal to 0, x minus 4 x power half plus 1 equal to 0. Remember, this is a concept of the quadratic equations, where you have called models of quadratic equations. You have different models where the powers of x are like 6, x power 4, root x, which all can be modified to a simple quadratic by a simple substitution. So here the substitution we can go for is x power half as u. So this will become u square minus 4u plus 1 equal to 0. Now this you can use the quadratic formula. So minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this will be 4 plus or minus root of 4 square is 16. 16 minus 16 minus 4ac. So 4 into 1, so 4 by 2. That will give you 4 plus or minus root 12 by 2. So 4 plus or minus 4 plus or minus, this is 2 root 3 by 2. So divide by 2, we get 2 plus or minus root. This is the, what is this actually? This is u. And u is what? X power half. So x power half is root x. So root x is 2 plus root 3. And also root x is 2 minus root 3. So x will be 2 plus root 3 square. So 2 square is 4. Root 3 square is 3. 2 into 2 into root 3. So 4 root 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 4 root 3. Here again squaring on both sides. 2 minus root 3 whole square will give you 2 square is 4. Root 3 square is 3. Minus 2 into 2 into root 3. So 4 root 3. So 7 minus 4 root. So here is asking, giving your solutions. There are two solutions in the form x equal to a plus B root C. Okay. So this is how you work out the question for this. Work out this question. So now moving on to part B. Given that f of x equal to gh of x, find the values of m and n. So what is f of x? F of x is x power x minus 4x power half plus 1, and gh of x, and g is what is g is mx square plus n, mx square plus n, and h is x power half minus 2, x power half minus. So g of h of x, so g of h of x, g x power half minus 2. So you're going to plug this in the m into x power half minus 2 whole square plus n. So let's expand this. So m into x power half whole square will be x, 2 square is 4, minus 4 root x plus n. So that will be equal to mx plus 4m minus 4m root x plus n. And here we have x minus 4 root x plus 1. Let's arrange the terms in that way. This will be equal to mx minus 4m root x plus 4m plus n. And here it is x minus 4 root x. So if we compare the x with the mx, so you get m equal to 1. When you compare the constant terms, you get 4m plus n equal to 1. M is 1. So 4 plus n equal to 1, and n equal to minus 3. 1 minus 4, so minus 3. That's how you work out for that question. Now let's move on to the question number 10. Now this is something very clear, that is something to do with the circular measures. So here the diagram shows a circle with center A of radius 5 and the circle with center B of radius 8. The circle touches at the point C so that the AC is a straight line. The tangent at the point D on the smaller circle intersects the larger circle at E and passes through B. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. So the perimeter here is, you need this, the arc length of the circle with the radius 5, arc length of the circle with radius 8, and that value, DE. Since this 5 and 8, the entire AB length is 13. This is also 5. So this is 90 degrees. You can use the Pythagoras theorem. And this is the hypotenuse. The root of 13 square minus 5 square will give you root of 13 square minus 5 square will give you 169 minus 25 root 144. For that is 12. So the entire DB length is 12. Now since this the radius is 8, this is 8, and this is 4. DE is 4. Now we need to find these angles. Let's say this angle what we can do is we can use SOHCAHTOA here, and want to find this angle, that also SOHCAHTOA. So um, for this is 90. We can use sine A equal to, opposite is 12 by 13. So from this A is sine inverse of 12 by 13. Sorry, I'm writing here because the diagram is um, here, so it'll be easy to work out. And for B, it will be sine B is 5 by 13. So B is sine inverse of 5 by 13. So A is sine inverse of 12 by 13, sine inverse of 12 by 13, and B is sine inverse of 5 by 13. So here the perimeter is, for the smaller circle of the radius 5, will be r theta. And here theta should be in radians, dealing with the circular measure here, r theta. So 5 into, so here theta for this circle of radius 5 will be sine inverse of 12 by 13. So 5 into sine inverse of 12 by 13. And for the other circle it is 8 sine inverse of 5 by 13 plus the value of the dE, which is 4. So here we need to change the calculator to the radian mode, because earlier we have used the degrees. So we have sine inverse of 12 by 13 into 5. So that gives you 5.88 plus this value will be 8 into sine inverse of 5 by 13, 3.158, 3.158, and plus 4. So when you add it, let's see how much you get. So 5.88 plus 3.1583 plus 4. So that will give you 13.03, 13.0383. Rounding to three significant figures, it will be uh, 13.0. 13.0, three significant figures. So that's how you work out this part. Find the area of the shaded now. We want the area now. So let's look at the diagram again. So the area of the portion, the area of the shaded is nothing but area of the right triangle ABD minus the two sectors ACD and BCE. So area of the triangle is the right triangle, half base into height. So half into 5 into 12. So area is area of the triangle minus area of the sector of the radius, area of the two sectors. Area of the sector of the radius 5 and area of the sector of radius 8. Area of the triangle is half into 5 into 12. minus half r square theta. So half into phi square into theta. Theta is nothing but sine inverse of 12 by 13 minus half into 8 square into sine inverse of 5 by 13. So let's see how much is that. So half into 5 into 12. This is anyway 30. And this will give you so 0.5 into 25 into sine inverse of 12 by 13. This will give you 14.7 14.0700 minus half into sine inverse of 5 by 13, 12.6 12.6333. So the overall, the final value you get is 30 minus 14.700 minus 12.633 give you 2.667 2.667, rounding out to three significant figures, it will be 2.67 area. So it's given in centimeter. So this will be here for the perimeter is 13 centimeter. The units are very important, and for the area it will be square centimeters. Coming to question number 11, it is given the curve with the equation k into 3x minus k whole power minus 1 plus 3x, where k is a constant. Find in terms of k the values of x at which there is stationary point. To find the stationary point, we have a stationary point when the dy by dx is 0, when the tangent is horizontal. So here we're given the y, the function y, which is y equal to k into 3x minus k whole power minus 1 plus 3x. Find the differentiation of this. So this will be equal to k. Use the power rule along with the chain rule. So minus 1 into 3x minus k whole power minus 2 into 3. 3x differentiation is 3. So this will give you minus 3k by 3x minus k whole square plus 3. Now we have to equate this to 0. So dy by dx is 0. So minus 3k divided by 3x minus k whole square equal to, plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore we have 3k equal to, here have 3 and here have 3x minus k whole square. Cancel the 3 and the 3. Therefore k equal to 3x minus k whole square. 3x minus k whole square is k. So 3x minus k will be plus or minus root k. So 3x will be equal to k plus or minus root k, and x will be equal to k plus or minus root k by whole by 3. K is a constant in terms of k, the values of x. So you definitely get two values in terms of k. This is how you find the solution for this question. The function has a stationary value at a. The function has a stationary value at a and is defined by of x, now it's given as f of x equal to 4 into 3x minus 4 whole power minus 1 plus 3x. So now this seems something relating to the first part. So the first part is y equal to k into y equal to k into 3x minus k whole power minus 1 plus 3x. Now here k is anyway 4. So since k is 4, we already got what the x values are. The x values are k plus or minus root k by 3. And k is what? K is nothing but 4 here. So 4 plus or minus root 4 by 3. So this will be, one is 4 plus root 4 by 3. The other one is 4 minus root 4 by 3. 4 plus root 4 is 6 by 3 is 2. 4 minus root 4. Root 4 is 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Therefore it is 2 by 3. But the domain is fixed x greater than or equal to 3 by 2. So the a value 2 by 3 is not accepted or cannot be accepted. Therefore a is, and so find the value of a and determine the nature of the stationary value. Got the a value. Now, so the f dash of x and f dash of x, the differentiation, what we got in the earlier part, minus 3k by 3x minus k whole square plus 3. This is the differentiation we got. So when you plug in the k value here, so k is 4. So you get minus 12 by 3x minus 4 whole square plus 3. So in order to find the nature of the stationary point, we need to know what is this the second differentiation. So let's differentiate this, the f dash of x again. So here you get minus 12 into minus 2 into 3x minus 4 whole power minus 3, and differentiation of 3 is 0. So therefore this gives you 24 by 3x minus 4 whole cube. So when you plug in x equal to 2 in this, so f double dash of 2 will be 24 by 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 cube is 8. Did you do any mistake? Minus 12 by 3x minus 4 whole square plus 3. So minus 12 into minus, oh, into, we forgot the chain rule, there's a 3 here. So times 3. Yeah, sorry for that. That's what you should be very careful when you're solving the questions. So 24 times 3 will give you now 72. This is 72 divided by 3x minus 4 whole cube. So when you put plug in x equal to 2 in this, you get 72 divided by 6 minus 4 is 2 cube 8, which is 9, and that is a positive quantity. Therefore it's a minima. So the nature of the stationary point is minima. Now the function g is defined by g of x equal to minus of 3x plus 1 whole power minus 1 plus 3x. Okay, Recommend giving making a reasoning clear whether g is increasing function or decreasing on either. So if the concept of increasing decreasing on either is nothing but we should know what the dy by dx is. So let's first differentiate this. So minus 3x plus 1 whole power minus 1. So minus 1 into 3x plus 1 whole power minus 2 times 3 plus 3. So this will give you minus of minus is 3. So 3 by 3x plus 1 whole square plus. Now for all the positive values of x, so 3x plus 1 when x is positive, 3x plus 1 whole square is always greater than 0, and therefore 3 divided by 3x plus 1 whole square is also positive, and you're adding 3 to it, that's also a completely a positive quantity. Therefore the entire quantity is greater than 0. So you can mention dy by dx is always greater than 0. Therefore it is increasing function. Increasing. So that's the solution for this. So we are done with the solving all the questions in detail, step by step. Please refer to every question step by step. If you have any doubts, you can always email me. And please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more videos. Thank you.